Red also trying to grab on the other side, trying to carrying Mobile Goal, trying to get some points out of it. Still trying to get that on there. And now it looks like, not sure why, because they're going, Red's going for blue. As blue now sets up in the positive scoring area. Now they've got red on top. And now red's going to go over to the other positive scoring area. And it looks like red's trying to fill up. They just got that blue out of the way. Now it's going to be red scoring. Now red's trying to grab a hold of and get it out of the positive scoring area for blue. So good defense going on right now. And now red and blue jousting for position, trying to get it. Looks like blue had their red has a chance, and their red pulls that blue scoring zone, scoring a Mobile Goal out of the positive scoring zone. On the other side, blue seems like they're stuck. And so now it's 2-on-1 as red trying to score in the positive scoring area, trying to just bash their way in to get that to be scoring. On the other side, blue and